Hey, what's happening? Hey guys, today's a Sunday and I was supposed to upload this vlog that you are watching right now yesterday on Saturday, but I'm like, okay, usually I post on Sundays. I'll just upload it on Sunday. I'm shooting this video on a Sunday. I am a bit late because hey, I am a bit late, which I'm born to. But in my defense, we are struggling a lot with network and I can't do a lot of things, so I need to back up my not back up I need to recover my footage from iCloud. I don't know if I'm making sense, but like I need to get my footage from iCloud. So iCloud equality, I can't really open them. I need Wi-Fi or data to open them. So I'm just gonna go to my aunt's today and try to do this. I don't know, network I wanna emboril, and then try to upload. I can't upload at night also because maybe I will upload, but I know I'm gonna take long to edit the other videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload on a Monday. It's fine. I'll upload tomorrow morning by 3. I have to be up, or 2, because we are struggling with network. So yeah, okay. I just went and I've decided that I'm gonna assemble this table thingy for my mom. The only thing, guys, I'm the only child at home. Literally no brother, no sister, no nothing. So whatever is it's this girl. So I don't have a choice. I can't say no. I can't even give it to my brother and say because hi. So I'm gonna have to do this on my own. I always do everything on my own. It's not nice. But I'm gonna assemble it here on my bed. I'm just gonna check it out. Let me show you guys the box. This is the box. I've already opened it. I think I can show you guys. Let me. It's dark in here, so now I wonder because like the weather is not good, and now that this car should I wait until whole bright? Let me just wait until it's bright. I think it's much better. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks like. The final product, I'm assuming, yeah. These are the tools. This actually looks harder than I thought. I don't know. But you know what? Nah, I'm gonna do it.
Gun dip tag, like Chinese war, so the clip tag. Chub it up and make you fall from your disc tag. You know one on a discharge, man a big tag. I saw you disappear as if I never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep fam. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam. Me feel me tight, me know the enemy. Them a pray, me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity. I saw we shoot out, we and figure Canada G. Make a never experience, no gravity. And tell a pussy we no laugh, we no take that. Violate people are dead dog. So should I keep in your bed card? The Taliban's them a make one.
And just like that, it actually took me longer than it was supposed to. I need to get into cleaning the house. The sun is out finally. Yeah, but I need to clean the house. I wanted to make, not me but my mom, to make me some yogurt from home, limousin, but we don't have syrup, so I don't know, maybe my dad could go and buy it before Atamai. Morning guys, welcome back. Welcome back to yet another day in the vlog. I know, when was the last time I did shoot? When I did that table thingy. So today I'm gonna do my room. Honestly, I had a plan to go out today, but it's fine, I can still go tomorrow, I don't mind. Today I'm just gonna do my room. It needs a little bit of some cleaning. I'm gonna show you guys around. Don't judge me, okay? The past few days I was lazy to do anything, but yeah, I'm just gonna reset. I don't know if I want to change a bit the bedding or what. Oh, I have so many things to do. I also need to plan for the campaign that I got with Pip. Period. Yeah, I need to do, yeah, Jay. So I need to get to that, and then let me show you guys. The room is quite dirty, but not too dirty. I don't know if you get me. Hopefully more dim, like the things that I have on the pedestal, my bed, I need to tidy up, but it's not dirty because I sweeped. Like, it's not dirty on the floor and stuff. Even the mirror is not dirty to show how I feel. It needs me to tidy up. The one part, but yeah, it's fine. Let me show you guys. You see, it's not that dirty. I just need to clean that. I need to clean this. There's a lot going on here, but I made this mess yesterday, so yeah. And then it's my bed. I need to do my bed. Let me close this. Yeah, I need to do my bed, but I'm gonna take off these things and wash them. And then my laptop, it needs to be okay, but I'm gonna use it, so you're not that. Then there's this sheet in plastic. I need to find space for them because there's a lot. And then also that water bottle, but I'm gonna use it anyway, so yeah. The mirror is actually clean because I cleaned it the other day. It's not dirty. I can do it again, but it's, you know, not dirty. I also need to wipe this. I don't know if you guys want to see. There's a bit of oil here. My nephew was here, but it's not him, I know. It's probably my hair, so I also need to wipe that off. Also these, I need to wipe them. And Uncle Bang's who drop here, you guys are just gonna judge me. You see, there's a lot going on in here. There's a lot. I need to tidy up everything here. Come on, it's not that horrible, but I'm just gonna fix it. You see, I need to do that part and this part. I'm not gonna show you guys the part where I messed up my clothes because it's embarrassing, but I need to tidy up my. So yeah, that's what I need to do. But I first need to do my skincare because my skin is so dry. I've just taken a bath and the time right now, I think it's if I'm not mistaken. I was supposed to be up by 6. I was up at 5, and then I needed to post on TikTok. That carousel took me a very long time to edit. Yeah, I needed to do that. And then what else can I do? You know, guys, scrolling on TikTok will set you back because I was supposed to take a bath around 5:30. No, not 5:30, because 5:30 I was still busy. Around 6, I wanted to get late because the initial plan was to wake up at 5, and then by 6 I start doing my room. But guy, TikTok is the weapon formed against me, but it will not win. I'm gonna try and do my best. Even today, I'm gonna put my phone away. In fact, I'm gonna use this one for me to avoid scrolling. I'll shoot with this one. Let me first do my skin because it's so dry. I'm gonna do it off camera. Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do it off camera and then eat, and then we'll get to it.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. But we thought of you as someone who can love someone like me. But I was wrong, baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me
in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, King will heal you. Before him, adore him, he will give you everything. Come and take your
Can't keep
wedding going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back.
So I'm done. I'm actually done with not done, but I'm done. I'm just gonna assemble this thing. I wanna assemble it. I want to hold it together. So we're gonna get to that right now. Guys, actually, never mind the machine in the background. It was only two. There's literally like two of them. I didn't realize that until I opened, so I can change if I want. Maybe today or this week, like a different color, I could go for white, and then the following week I could go for the black one. There's actually two of them. It's the black, and the white. I can mix it up if I want to, which I'm not gonna do maybe later on, but for now I'm just gonna stick to white or black. I should have read the description, because maybe they did mention it there, because I'm confused now. I'm trying to assemble it, but now no man, how do I do it? So I go to the app and I open it. I go to the app and I check the thingy that I ordered from the order list shop. But as I can no actually assemble as well. But there's 2 of them. So exciting, love it for me. Anyway, let me get to it. New day. I've just shot a I've just shot a TikTok video, my short form content. Yeah, it's really saying, and if you low effort, it's not nice. I don't like it. I'm still gonna edit. Maybe I'll play around with edits. We'll see. But I don't really like it like that. Oh, I didn't show you guys yesterday how the calendar thingy ended up turned out. Let me show you. This is how it is. I don't know, I still need to fix this. I don't know how I'm gonna put it. Okay, yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna. Should remove this and put this here, iliwani, or this plant, or this lamp. Nothing too wrong, but I know my mom will help me fix it. But yeah, this is how it turned out. The white one is on the other room, or in the other room. So yeah, but I like it. It's small. It's not as big as I expected it. But yeah, I'm not complaining. Also, the price is not it was 40 something rand, and there was 2 of them, so I'm not really complaining. But I like it. I don't know why, but I like it. I wish it had I guess working clean. I could have taken the digital one, but the way it's in now and stuff. But we'll see. I don't know. I like this one. Maybe I'll buy it again. Anyway, I need to plan for the PEP campaign. I don't know what to buy, honestly. I feel like also I'm kind of limited, so that's why I keep feeling but I'm gonna plan for that, and then edit. I first need to edit my short form and upload. I don't know what time it is. It's 8. I can still upload at 9 or 10. It's still okay. My skin trouncing. And then I still need to record a voiceover. That's fine. I'm not complaining that much this time around. That's it. The weather is really gloomy. Like, it's gloomy outside, and I don't know. I'm contemplating between getting back to bed or just because I could just get back to bed and then I don't know. We'll see. Sorry for the noise. But yeah. Hey guys. Hey, what's happening? I haven't spoken since I woke up. So anyway, today is Saturday morning. The time is around 6, if I'm not mistaken. I actually woke up at 4, 4:30, but I kept on setting the alarm for 4:30, but I kept on snoozing and like canceling it, and then I was just so tired. I don't know why, but I was kind of tired. Like I said, I ended up waking up now at 6. And you guys know I wake up early, but it's fine. It's the weekend. It's not like I have like big plans or anything. Today I am gonna go. Okay, I woke up early because I have to go and fetch my brother right now at 7. Because I'm gonna I don't know. I could call him and hear if he's not up, I know. So I'm gonna go and fetch him at 7. We're gonna go to the combination to inject the pigs, or the piglets rather. Just to give you guys a backstory or context or background, a commonage is like a place near where people have like the right to common land. Like it's a common land where people can keep their animals, livestock rather. Yeah, where people can keep their livestock and stuff. So we do have a livestock, as you guys know, in agriculture. I'm kidding, yes, as you guys know, I don't know if I've mentioned it before, I don't think I have, but I did study agriculture, and so yeah, we do have like livestock. So we are gonna go there and inject the pigs. We had like we had a lot of pigs. Yeah, we had a lot of pigs, and we had to sell them because when you have a lot of them, you'd end up going crazy. Like it's so expensive to maintain pigs. Like not even expensive, but like it's a lot of work, because now you have to clean. You always have to be there. You have to clean after them. You have to go and feed them every day. You have to whatever. So oh, also because we don't have land like a farm or anything, we use, and because we come from a city or a town, we use a commonage to keep our livestock. If you want to have livestock, you use a commonage. Otherwise, if we did have a farm or land rather, then we would go there every day. But because we do have at home back in the Eastern Cape, but because we live here now, because we don't have that, we use a commonage. There are a few commonages here in Welkom. Guys, I had to switch my cam and the quality now is gonna be bad, or should I delete some of the things, but I don't have time now. I will do it some at the time. So yeah, because we don't have land, we use a commonage to keep our livestock. While I was editing this vlog also, I realized that while I was editing this vlog, I realized there's a part where it got cut like abruptly. Yes, the part where I was discussing the commonage and stuff. I don't know what happened. Like I said, I do have a lot of challenges, or I have my struggles with this whole YouTube thingy. So I was discussing the whole thing of having land and stuff. So yeah, we went to inject our pigs with the Ivermectin for iron. Yes, I think for iron, and also antiparasitic. For iron. But I realized now, no, I was gonna go and inject for antiparasitic, so that they don't have these other smaller black things. I don't know if you're gonna notice while watching the video that on their knees they have this black thingy. It's for to prevent parasites from eating them from inside. I don't know if I'm explaining well. And then also, because we don't have like a permanent land or whatever, we still need the municipality to approve that land for us, like the people there at the commonage. We can't really build a structure, you get. It's because of municipality issues with the people, so we can't really build structure. That's why we put them on like the ground. But if you actually look closely, it's not the ground. We did put the slabs. I don't know what the slabs are called in English. I'll try to look it up and then write it on the thingy. But we did put something under. Obviously there's gonna be soil, there's dust and everything else, and I realized that they actually prefer to be on soil than on concrete. Yeah, so we need to inject for that, because the soil comes with a lot of things, man. Like it comes with a lot of things, a lot of diseases, a lot of parasites and stuff. So we need to inject them for that. That's why we need to inject the pigs. Yeah, if I forgot anything, I'll just include it in the next vlog explaining stuff.
Oh yeah, yeah. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, what you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. Cause oh, I love some music, but oh, I just went through it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side. And it's okay for you. Take a day or two. Get your mind together. Sing it with me. Say all to Jesus. I surrender all to thee. I freely give. I will ever love and trust him in his presence daily live. Yeah, I surrender all. Ooh, I surrender all.
Ready po yun tayo.
Okay, okay.
Begin this much of a bit in what?
Alright.
Kubangan niyo kulina na natakan na yan yung itang kitang. Kubangan na.
Seriously, ba ito? Lagi na kuloy na.
Yung mga hahad kulit din natin sa bangka kulit.
Yo, basta
Ay, sila ka po.
eh, madita nje. Ay, thank you.
Okay, while I'm waiting for my little brother, let me show you guys this. This is the no, but like this one is the anti-parasitic 2026-05. No. Okay, June. Look at me. It expired. Yeah, but we bought it a very long time ago, so you understand that. Anyway, this is the medication. Okay, this one is the wrong one. But yeah, this is the medication that we use to inject. What is this called? The pigs or the piglets, because they do use one medication. Yeah, they do use one medication. Yeah, and then these are the things. So, and these are the needles. You know, but like it hurts my heart every time we have to inject the babies because these needles are not ish. But hey, they have thick skin, so like I'm using my I'm just feeling sorry for them as a person. Otherwise, we have to inject them with these needles. Don't have a choice. These people are still sleeping, man, and I knew it. I'm so bored and shit. Because what do you mean? But yeah, this is the medication that we're gonna use, and then I also took a hat just in case it's hard. But I know it's hard. Sure. Che. Hello. Okay. Hey. Where's Abu? Oh. I told you guys my brother's not up. He's not up. It's a whole fish. See now, things I don't like. Let me just go and close the gate because now I know he's gonna take Nakwetelele to open. And I don't gonna go look inside. tsamaya ntho ya hae ke re jwale ama o tlo tsosa batho ba theoela ke mo tsositse nna o tsositse ke huta ga se nna mo tsositseng ama go bala deep ha utlwe dintho jo magaze re ke nna o tsamaya morning o bona ga tsamaya morning ye o go betsa mo jwang bosiu morning morning rata phone jo la phone o shebi good morning hi let's go yay Titi, clap your hands, Emma. Oh, no, sit.
That's Hunter.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. From my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Hey, you want to go in? So we have arrived. Let's go in, guys. I give it. So. Amma, I'll open for you. Wait. Let me open up.
ke muntu. Isabi.
Asi ona ka. Ka ntshane ba tsona le ba tla ntse tsitse ka. Ba.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Le thupa yi.
Le bona ba tlo hana o tloha ka moo. Tshwara mo. Yes, what are you saying? Stone. Have a stone. We have to do it.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come near. We turn it all around.
Let me go. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Nick.
Come and sit down.
Let me strip you.
I need all your love. I need all your love. I need your blessings. I need your blessings. My Lord, your blessings make me feel the way. I've got one question. I've got one question. My Lord, my question is, are you here to stay? I know that you will, 'cause you never fail. You direct me to paths that will prevail. Bride of Jesus Christ, you replace the veil. And you show me love. Yeah, you show me love. I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel.
Open, shut, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut, open, shut. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, curl them, creep them, curl them. Hide up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your.
But keep it, you're the realest, never sleeping. Always got me even when I'm dreaming. I'm preaching to the people you're feeding. In the morning until the evening, making sure that your children are breathing. It's you I'm needing, it's you I'm needing. Grab the word, then I speak it. On the curb, you know I preach it. One in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed. But your word, it never is defeated. So if I fail, I know you'll redeem it. Right up the throne, my savior is seated. His name is Jesus, his name is Jesus. I'm just trying to get close to you. As a child, that's something I'm supposed to do. When you walk in the room, I notice you. I love you, and I can't get over you. Yeah, I'm just trying to get close to you. As a child, that's something I'm supposed to do. When you walk in the room, I notice you. I notice you.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord,
So I'm running late, but this is the outfit. I don't know if you guys are gonna see me. Never mind the mess in there. Bye. Period. Late. Bye.
They decide most on a fees that they can take out monthly for Dorcas fees. How much was it?
So yeah. Okay, so never mind these are pimple patches. I'm actually realizing now, like they look a bit weird. I don't know, they look like I was eating, I don't know, but yeah, that's why I delayed with uploading this vlog. I'm still challenged by a lot of things, but I think eventually when time goes by, things will get better. Hopefully I won't have to be struggling with so many things and still figuring out everything. I feel like also another thing I noticed about me, I want everything figured out. Like, but like, and I can't live that life, especially as a child of God. I can't, not everything. I know I can't always have everything under control. Sometimes I just need to let go of control because, yeah, let me just open this window. I delayed with this vlog. I also wanted to end it off because yesterday I didn't really say anything or say much. Let me just take the tripod because so I just wanted to end off the vlog. I think it was a productive week for me, even though I didn't do much. I had so many plans. I planned on going for, you know, a run this week. I'm leaving month end, and now wait, I thought maybe I'll lose a few centimeters, not even kgs, centimeters. But I feel like it. And then also I thought, yeah, that was the plan this week, to go for a run. I know if I do that, oh, like there will be a difference on my body, but it's fine. I can still do it. I still have time. I know. And then lastly, I wanted to go out on a Saturday. Then I had initially planned on going out this week, but I couldn't because of, you know, things here at home, commitments here at home. And also I was cleaning my room, but it's still not too late, but I can still go after everything else, because even this weekend I was kind of busy with church. So yeah, but we have come to the end of the vlog. Like I said, I feel like this week for me it was the most productive because if I clean the house, yeah, you can do things freely. You can do things freely without any fear or yeah. But thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Like, yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. I do hope that God, and I pray, no, not just hope, I do pray that God blesses each and every one of you who watches this vlog. May He bless your hearts. Should I say that? But bless your heart. And we've come to the end. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, to comment. I do love engagement, like I said to you guys. Share with other people, and then subscribe if you haven't. Also go subscribe. It's free. I can understand it's not like you're gonna pay any membership. I don't believe in those things, but yeah, follow me on my other social platforms if you don't. I post a lot on my TikTok, especially on my TikTok. TikTok is my main account. I post a lot there. Do follow me if you haven't. Do go and check out my content. And then I do post on Instagram, but like Instagram, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to post on Instagram and make it Instagram worthy, like fit into the Instagram whatever aesthetic, or yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out, but we'll get there. And then yeah, do follow me on my other platforms, and thank you so much if you have. See you guys in my next vlog, which is on Saturday or Sunday if I'm late. Ne?